Have you thought about how to be successful in the AI revolution? Do you want to know the abilities that can help you do well in this fast-changing world? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to tell you about the 9 most important AI skills you should learn. These skills will help you stay ahead of 97% of people. They are the important skills that aren't about technical stuff and will help you make the most of AI opportunities in any job or field. So don't forget to watch the whole video because we've kept the best skill for the end. However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 9, data storytelling and visualization. By turning plain data into interesting stories and pictures, you can make your discoveries easier to understand, connect with, and persuade others about. But why is this skill so important now in the age of AI? As AI systems get better at looking at lots of data and figuring things out from it, our ability to find important ideas from that data becomes really useful. Data storytelling lets us connect the gap between cold numbers and the human stories behind those numbers. Think about a group trying to help with the global water problem. Using data storytelling, they could change confusing data about water shortages, how water is used, and things affecting the environment into a powerful story that makes people want to help. They could make a map that shows how bad water problems are in different places, or make a moving picture that explains how water-saving ideas make a difference. Now picture someone who works at a tech company and needs to show their team data about users. Instead of giving everyone lots of charts and tables, they could use data storytelling to make a short and interesting talk. They could tell a story that shows the biggest problems users have and why their ideas could make things better. All of this could be backed up with clear and easy to understand pictures. Number 8, AI project management. As AI becomes more common in different fields, there's a bigger need for skilled people who can manage AI projects. But what does it take to do this job well, and why is it so important now? Being a project manager for AI needs a mix of skills. You have to know about the technology, work with different teams, make sure everyone knows what's happening, and watch how much money and time is being used. Imagine you're asked to set up a chatbot that uses AI to help customers for a big airline. As the AI project manager, you'll need to talk to the people who care about the project, figure out what's really important, and make sure the chatbot fits the airline's style and how they help customers. You'll also have to be ready for problems like language differences or making sure everything works well together and make plans just in case things go wrong. Number 7, prompt engineering. Prompt engineering involves creating effective questions or instructions to get the desired response from AI language models like GPT-4. Think of AI as a helpful genie inside a magic lamp. If you don't ask the genie the right question or make a clear wish, you might not get what you really want. Similarly, being skilled at prompt engineering helps you talk to AI systems in a better way. But what makes a good prompt engineer? It means understanding the situation, using precise words, and thinking about possible answers. This skill needs creativity, logical thinking, and knowing human language. For example, imagine you're a writer making a blog about the good sides of dating apps. Instead of using a general prompt like write a blog about dating apps, create a more focused and interesting prompt like you're now a relationship expert. Write a blog about the top 5 benefits of dating apps for men. When you make your prompt more specific, the AI model can create content that fits your target audience better and keeps their attention. Number 6, AI-powered personal branding. In the world of AI, personal branding has gotten more interesting. With the help of AI tools, you can make a special and easy-to-remember personal brand that shows you're different from everyone else. But what does using AI for personal branding really mean? And why should you care? Well, imagine your personal brand is like a puzzle, a bunch of pieces that come together to show who you are, what you believe in, and what you're good at. Now think about using AI to make each piece of that puzzle better, so the whole picture looks amazing. For instance, you could use AI-made logos to create a cool look for your brand. Or you could use AI tools to make interesting articles or social media posts that show how much you know about your field. Even how you act online can be improved with AI. Virtual helpers can assist you in handling your social media, talking to your followers, and making sure your brand looks the same on all the different websites. Let's say there's a freelance graphic designer who wants to make their personal brand. They could use AI design tools to create impressive work samples that show how skilled and creative they are. Number 5, business strategy and implementation. In the fast-changing world of AI, having a clear plan for your business is really important to stay ahead. But what exactly is this skill? And why does it matter? Well, a good business plan for AI I mean figuring out how to use AI in your company, looking at possible problems, and making a plan to reach your goals. It's about understanding how AI can make your business better and using it to come up with new ideas, work more efficiently, and have an edge over others. Think about a shop that sells things. They want to use AI to make their supply chain work better by using AI to predict what they need and manage their stock. This would help them do things faster, waste less, and make more money. The secret to doing this right is to have a good plan that thinks about things like keeping data safe and training employees. Number 4, creative AI thinking. Creative AI thinking is the skill to imagine new, creative, and big ideas for using AI technology. It means thinking beyond the usual things and exploring all the amazing stuff AI can do. But why is this skill so important in the AI revolution? Well, AI is changing our world in really special ways. When we use creative AI thinking, we can find new things to do, solve hard problems, and make our work even better. The special part happens when human creativity and the power of AI come together. This makes super cool solutions that we never thought of before. Think about an artist who uses AI to make beautiful, one-of-a-kind art on a computer. With AI help, the artist can make amazing pieces that break the rules of normal art. Or imagine a musician who uses AI to make music that mixes different types of music in new and exciting ways. This way, they can make music that's totally different from what everyone's used to. Number 3, curiosity and continuous learning. In the world of AI that's always changing, being curious and always learning new things can be your secret weapons to do really well. But why are these things so important? And how can you make them part of your work journey? Having curiosity and always learning means keeping up with the latest AI stuff, trying out new tools, and being open to feedback and change. When you do this, you're better ready to adjust to how AI changes and make the most of new chances that come up. Imagine someone who works in marketing. They find an AI tool that can make their ads work better. Because they're curious, they want to know all about the tool. They try out different things and see what works best. Because they keep learning, they get better at their job and find new ways to help their company. Number 2, natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, NLP, is like the part of AI that's all about understanding and making sense of human language. Even though it might sound technical, knowing a bit about NLP can really help you do well in the world of AI. If you get the basics of NLP, you'll be in a better position to work with AI systems that handle text or speech. You can also make things that people can use easily and make sure the stuff AI creates makes sense and is good quality. Imagine someone who runs social media for a company. They could use NLP tools to figure out how people feel about a new product. If they know the basics of NLP, they can ask better questions, understand the answers, and come up with better ways to talk to their followers. Number 1, intuitive understanding of AI limitations. Understanding the limits of AI technology is a really important skill. It helps you make smart choices, reduce risks, and support responsible ways of using AI. So, what's the deal with knowing the limits of AI? And why does it matter so much today? Getting a sense of AI limits means knowing when AI can help and when AI might not be the best thing to use. It also means being careful about fairness and being aware of possible problems. This skill helps you find the right balance between using what AI can do and not running into problems. For instance, think about someone who's in charge of picking new employees using AI tools. They need to be careful because AI can accidentally show unfairness when choosing people. By understanding what AI can and can't do, they can make sure they use the technology the right way and make things fairer for everyone. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.